Hi, I'm Dari Franz. This is Photoshop and we will see today how to do moving and rotation animation at the same time in Photoshop. Okay, this is our car. And let's remove the background. I will use object selection tool. Choosing it. Now it's selected and I will copy selection. Create new file. 1920 by 1080, transparent, okay, and paste. Our car, still a little bit pink in this area of the window, so I will remove it with eraser tool. Now we have to select the wheel, this central part of the wheel. Oh, you know what, let's go first to the Windows icon and make the layers visible. Okay, now we see the layers. We have one, and let's create the next one by selecting the wheel. So I'm using the same tool. It is selected. Now let's copy the selection and paste it. And now let's start with the animation. Let's go to Windows and do visible timeline. Create video timeline is chosen. It's good. Click and we have our timeline. So we have two layers now. One with the wheel and another one with the car. Okay. Let's go to the layer with the wheel and do our wheel to rotate. So I'm clicking here, but I cannot see transform. This is because we have to make our layer the smart object. So I'm choosing the top layer with the wheel and going to layer, smart objects, convert to smart object. Now let us see, our wheel is smart object and we can see transformation here. Okay, let us click on the clock. The first frame, keyframe is created, and let us see. Now I'm going to transform, rotate 90 degrees clockwise, okay? And in the middle of a period, I'll do one more rotation, transform, rotate 90 degrees clockwise, then the third one, and at the very end the last one. Okay, now let us see how it works. I think it's good, but a little bit maybe slow. So what I will do, I will move my keyframes a little bit closer to each other. And cut the layer. Where is the last keyframe? And let's see now. I think it's better. Okay, so, but we have to do few rotations of the wheel, so I will go to layer and duplicate it. And then move this second part to start when the first one finished. Okay? And let's do it one more time. And to move it again the same way. So we have our wheel to turn 3 times, and let's do the length of the layer with the car to be the same like the length of those 3 layers with wheels together. And let's see the animation. I think it works. So let's now everything what's about our wheel to convert into a smart object. So I'm holding Ctrl and choosing all those three layers with turning wheels and layers, smart layers, convert. Now I have only two layers, one with the car and one with the wheel, which is rotating. So I'm going to duplicate the layer with this wheel and to transfer this moving part to cover the second wheel. Free transform. Like that. Now we have two wheels that turn. The next thing is I will do everything like one smart object. Control and choosing all the layers. Layers, smart object. And I will do this car with turning wheels to move from left to right. Let's start the animation. Let's free transform it to the left. Now let's move the slider to the very last position. Do free transform and enjoy. If you think that the car moves a little bit slowly, just decrease the total time on the timeline, and I think it's better. That's it. Car is moving and wheels are turning. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!